Hi, Shannon from Norse Interiors here. I have a cabinet door from Norse Interiors that is simply too beautiful to drill into, which is why I'm installing IKEA's push-to-open function instead of adding a knob. It comes in the same package as the hinges that you buy for the IKEA Besta Cabinet. These are the items that you're going to use: a screwdriver, these short screws, and these two parts. Start by attaching this gray part at the bottom two holes of the front side of the cabinet where the door opens and closes. Use these holes marked as B on the gray part. Align the holes in the plastic piece with the holes in the cabinet, then use the screwdriver to easily attach the gray plate with two screws. Then take the part that looks like a letter, push it together. Put the bottom against the plastic clips and then simply snap in the front. When you hear it click, you know you finished this simple installment. Now your door opens with a small push. To know more about where you can get this stunning cabinet door from, visit us at norseinteriors.com. We make upgrading components to turn your IKEA furniture into one-of-a-kind pieces that you design. This door is just one of many designs, so check us out.